Hey guys, today we'll be doing an app review and the app is called VHeal. On VHeal, people keep sharing their problems and people who have been through similar situations in life keep helping them out. The best thing about VHeal is that it claims to be 100% anonymous, and today we'll be checking if it is 100% anonymous or not. We'll also be looking at some other features of VHeal. And since I thought that maybe you would like Iron Man to accompany you through this video, so I brought Iron Man instead of me. So I'm recording this video on my laptop, and as you can see there's no VHeal installed. So let's quickly go and install VHeal from the Play Store. Let me just type VHeal and search for it. Right. So now if you see on the front page, you can see that these people have mentioned anonymously at a lot of places. Look at the poster, it says discuss your problems anonymously. If you go into About app, then you again see that they have said that there is an anonymous chat. You can share your problems anonymously here as well. So this app claims to be anonymous so that people can freely share their problems. The app is of hardly 19 MB, so it might be very light on your mobile. So let's just quickly install it. Right, so now it's installed, and let's quickly open it up. So now again it says it's completely anonymous. My internet is a bit slow, so it might just take a few seconds. Also, I have recorded the video in 2 parts, so don't get shocked seeing the timestamp. Alright, so now let's explore the app a bit. So once I click on home, I see a following feed, and it seems to be empty because we have not logged in the app. And I've been using this app since a while, so I already have a feed, but since we have not logged in, it's showing nothing. So this is the inspiration section where people keep posting some inspirational stories and inspirational blogs, which are wonderful, by the way. You can probably have a look, you can pause the video and have a look. And then there is a separate section for problems where all the problems posted come here. So you can read the problems. And one of the best parts of this app is that you can, if you want help from a particular person, you can tag that person. Like you can see people have tagged Survi Mishra, Purva Verma, right? So you can directly tag people and you can take help from them, right? So before posting our problem anonymously, let's see if we are logged in. So once I click on the profile picture, it asks me to sign up, right? So it shows that there's no way right now the app can know me. So there's no information about me with the app. So let's quickly go and share our problem. So now one of my friends is moving through a rough breakup as of now, and she's not able to focus. So I'm sharing her problem in this app, and if it receives some good response, then I'm going to share the replies with her. Also, there's an option to add images to the problem, but I'm not using this as of now. So we have already written down the problem, and let's move ahead. Let me just click on next. Right, so now to increase the visibility, I'll just add a few hashtags. Let me just see if I can search for a hashtag. Let me just click on hashtags. Let me just search breakup. Yeah, I found one. Okay, and let me just see if I can add hashtags on my own. Yes, I can do that as well. So now I'm not tagging any particular person. Let me just choose the most apt category, which would be heartbreak. So let me just choose it. Let me just post this letter. Yep. Right. So it says that your content has been posted online. Let's just quickly check if that has been the case. So let me just click on the home button again to refresh it and go into problems. Right. So my problem has been posted, and right now there are no views or no shares on that. So while it might just take some time for people to reply, let's quickly go and scroll the app a bit. So this is right now what the screen that you can see has a number of healers available. You can connect with these healers and you can chat with them, and this chat is also anonymous. Like I've been using the app since a while, and you can see my profile on the app as well. So let's quickly go and check out a healer. So if I click on a healer, you see the compliments that healer has already gotten, and the last couple of reviews. You can see all the reviews actually. So the reviews that the healer has gotten, this might help you choose a particular healer, right? And if you want, you can be a healer as well. Just go online and it will ask you to sign in. So let's just quickly sign in. So I'll be signing in this app through another number because I want to send a chat request to myself so that I do not actually disturb some other healer, since we are just testing this out. So let me just enter the phone number, and you will be sent an OTP which you have to enter. Once you enter the OTP, it will quickly bring you back as a healer, and now you're online. So now just let me just quickly connect with one of the healers. So let's suppose if I just want to search myself and connect with myself, because we do not want to disturb anyone, I'll just search myself, Ishan, and I'll click on request chat. And it's very quick. It started with 89 seconds and there it is. In 6 seconds it connected me to a healer, right? And now you can start the chat. So now while you can see my name on the screen, if you are taking help, then you appear anonymous on the other end. Like I cannot show you right now, but on my mobile screen it shows me it shows this person anonymous. And after the chat you can rate your chat session and give a nice thank you note or a review to the healer, whatever is the case, right? You can just write thank you so much for helping me out or whatever. But since this was just a chat session, I'll just probably skip this as of now. And now guys, if you are looking at the time, then you would notice that we posted a problem at around 7:22 and it's 7:31 and I've already received a reply notification. So let's just quickly go and check the problem. Right, so now there are 6 views on this already and there is already 1 reply, right? And let me just quickly open this up. So guys, you see that it's very quick. In 8 minutes someone has actually replied to your problem, which is very quick. So let me just go and read this. Let me just scroll this a bit. So you can just pause the video in case if you want to read the problem and read the reply, which I think is a pretty good reply. So I'll just like this as well. So guys, we started with the question that if vHeal is 100% anonymous or not, and the answer to that is yes, it is 100% anonymous. We started sharing our problem without signing into vHeal, and there was no way vHeal could have any information about us, yet we were able to share our problem, and we also received a reply in approximately 8 minutes, which is pretty nice and pretty quick. So vHeal actually does what it claims to. And I'm adding another video to the first one, which I have shot approximately half an hour after the first one. So you see that it's 36 minutes since we have posted our problem, and it has 22 views, 5 shares and 4 replies, so which is pretty good. You know, we have received a reply which is 5 minutes ago, which is pretty nice. You can pause the video and read it. Then there's another reply which is posted 13 minutes ago, and another one that has been posted 21 minutes ago, and the last one that you can see is the first initial reply which you have already read, that was posted 28 minutes ago. So in approximately 30 minutes we have received 4 replies, which is actually wonderful. So guys, if you want to share any problem and if you are afraid of the fear of judgment, then you can use vHeal to share your problems, and in no time you will be able to get solutions to your problems. Also, if you do not have any problem but you would like to help people, you can become a healer on vHeal. I'm a healer on vHeal. You can find me as well, and I keep helping people all the time on vHeal, and it feels wonderful, and the sign up process is also very quick. So if you have any comments or any suggestions or anything that you would like to mention, drop me in the comments below. I will leave a link to download vHeal so that you guys can quickly download vHeal and get help or start helping others in the description of the video below. And I'll see you again next time.